Every developer has that moment you see a new tool, think it's probably overhyped, and then suddenly it changes your workflow entirely. That's exactly what happened to me with OpenClaw. At first I was skeptical, but within days I realized I hadn't opened half my usual apps. OpenClaw had quietly taken over, automating tasks and streamlining my digital life. In this video, I'll walk you through how I deployed my own OpenClaw AI agent in just 4 minutes and how it now runs my life from a $5 server. Let's dive into the journey, the setup, and why this could be a game changer for developers everywhere. OpenClaw isn't just another chatbot. Unlike tools that simply answer questions or generate jokes, OpenClaw actually gets things done. It reads your files, manages your calendar, monitors your GitHub repos, and even controls your smart home devices. The magic lies in its persistent memory and ability to chain multiple tasks together. Imagine sending a single message to automate your weekly workflow, and OpenClaw handles the rest. It's like having a junior developer who never sleeps, works for free, and is available on every messaging platform you use. OpenClaw's unique lobster workflow shell is what sets it apart. You can send a message like, every Monday at 9 a.m., pull urgent GitHub issues, create a Notion summary, and send it to Slack. OpenClaw searches its skill library, installs any needed integrations, configures API access, and gets to work. This seamless chaining of capabilities means you can automate complex routines with just a few words. It's what Siri should have been, but with the power and flexibility developers crave. Self-hosting powerful AI agents like OpenClaw used to be a hassle. You'd have to SSH into a server, install Docker, configure environment variables, set up firewalls, and troubleshoot networking issues, often in the middle of the night. Running it on your laptop was only good for testing, since your agent would go offline when your computer slept. For a truly always-on experience, you needed a VPS with enough RAM and a reliable setup. This complexity was a major barrier for many would-be users. Enter Contabo's one-click OpenClaw add-on. This new offering changed everything for me. Instead of wrestling with manual setup, I simply ordered a VPS, checked the OpenClaw box, and waited a few minutes for provisioning. The onboarding wizard launched automatically when I connected via SSH. In less than 5 minutes, my AI agent was live and ready to go. No more late-night debugging or complicated Docker commands, just a smooth, automated deployment. Deployment process is refreshingly simple. First, head to the Contabo OpenClaw hosting page and pick the entry-level Cloud VPS 10 plan. With 4 vCPU cores, 8 GB RAM, and 75 GB NVMe storage, it's more than enough for OpenClaw. During checkout, just check the OpenClaw box. After a brief wait for provisioning, SSH into your server and follow the onboarding wizard. Connect your preferred messaging channels, pick your LLM provider, and enter your API key. That's it, you're live in under 5 minutes. Cost of running OpenClaw is surprisingly low. The Cloud VPS 10 plan starts at just €5.36 per month, about $4.95 USD. The OpenClaw add-on itself is free, you only pay for the server. For less than the price of a fancy coffee, you get a 24/7 AI assistant that's always available. If you need more power, Contabo offers higher tiers, but for most personal use cases, the entry-level plan is more than enough. Within the first hour of deploying OpenClaw, I connected my Gmail and sent a WhatsApp message, clean up my inbox, archive everything that's not actionable, summarize the important ones. OpenClaw processed hundreds of emails and sent me a neat summary. I then set up a weekly cron job to repeat this task every Sunday night. It was all done in natural language while I was out walking my dog. This level of automation immediately freed up my time and mental space. By hour 3, I had OpenClaw monitoring my GitHub repositories. With a simple message, I asked it to watch for new issues and pull requests and send me Telegram summaries for anything tagged urgent. OpenClaw found the right integration, configured it, and started working. Suddenly, I was always in the loop without constantly checking my repos. This hands-off monitoring let me focus on more important work. OpenClaw's flexibility extends to how it uses AI models. I set up smart routing so that simple tasks use lightweight models like Haiku, while complex work, like code review, uses more powerful models like Sonnet or Opus. This keeps API costs manageable and ensures the right tool is used for each job. Anthropic's prompt caching further reduces costs by avoiding repeated charges for similar queries. It's a smart way to balance performance and budget. After a day, OpenClaw started to surprise me. Its heartbeat feature proactively checks in, sending reminders about deadlines I'd only mentioned in passing days before. The persistent memory across sessions means it never forgets what matters. This proactive support is a game changer, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks, even things I might have forgotten myself. The second day, I found myself rarely opening my usual apps. Need to check my calendar? Ask the agent. To-do list? Ask the agent. Quick web search? The agent handles it. OpenClaw became my single interface for a dozen tools, drastically reducing context switching and boosting my productivity. It's like having a personal assistant that never gets tired and is always just a message away. I'm not alone in this experience. One user built a website from their phone in minutes, while another turned an old Mac Studio into a 24/7 AI agent that helps run 3 businesses. The feedback from the community is overwhelmingly positive, with many describing OpenClaw as magical and transformative for their workflows. It's clear that this tool is resonating with developers and indie hackers alike. With great power comes great responsibility, especially when it comes to security. Recently, over 135,000 OpenClaw instances were found exposed to the internet, with tens of thousands vulnerable to known exploits. The default configuration binds to all network interfaces, which can leave your agent and all your data open to attack if not properly secured. It's critical to take security seriously when deploying your own AI agent. Securing your OpenClaw deployment is straightforward but essential. First, bind the service to localhost instead of all interfaces. Use SSH tunnels to access the control UI, and set up a firewall to block everything except SSH. Always enable authentication and keep your instance updated. Vet any third-party skills before installing them, and consider using the official Ansible playbook for a hardened setup. Taking these steps ensures your data and workflows remain safe. Let's talk numbers. The infrastructure cost is just €5.36 per month for the server. The real variable is the AI model API usage, which depends on your workload and model choices. Smart routing helps keep costs down, and prompt caching avoids unnecessary charges. For moderate use, expect a total monthly cost of $15.30, including both server and API. If you have enough RAM, you can even run local models for zero API cost, though with some trade-offs in quality. Paired to managed solutions, self-hosting OpenClaw on Contabo is a bargain. Official OpenClaw hosting starts at $29 per month, and other managed alternatives can range from $19 to $99 monthly. With self-hosting, you get full flexibility and control for a fraction of the price if you're comfortable with basic server management. For developers and tech-savvy users, this is the best value by far. OpenClaw isn't for everyone. If you're not comfortable with SSH commands or editing config files, managed hosting might be a better fit. But if you're a developer, indie hacker, or SaaS builder who already runs self-hosted tools, OpenClaw fits right in. It's perfect for those who want a personal AI agent that actually executes tasks, monitors repos, and automates workflows, all from your phone or favorite chat app. Need to try it yourself? The fastest way is to deploy OpenClaw on Contabo using their one-click setup. Pick the Cloud VPS 10, check the OpenClaw box, and follow the onboarding wizard. Don't forget to lock down your security settings before you walk away. If you want more details, the Contabo blog has a comprehensive guide to help you get started. In just 5 minutes, you could have your own AI agent responding on Telegram or WhatsApp. Once you're comfortable with the basics, OpenClaw can be extended even further. Connect it to your backend systems, build custom skills, or integrate with other self-hosted tools like N8N or Supabase. The possibilities are vast, limited only by your imagination and technical skills. Whether you want daily briefings, automated SaaS monitoring, or a self-healing pipeline, OpenClaw can be tailored to fit your needs. OpenClaw represents a new era in personal automation. With just a few clicks and a modest investment, anyone can have a powerful AI agent running 24/7, handling tasks and making life easier. As the ecosystem grows, expect even more integrations, smarter workflows, and tighter security. For developers and tech enthusiasts, the future is bright, and OpenClaw is leading the way, ready to let an AI agent run your digital life.